Hello, welcome to Jimmy's Kitchen. So now I'm going to show you how to do the stir-fry noodles. So I'm going to turn on the gas now on the medium. So normally when I do the cooking, I just do on the medium or medium high or medium low. So that one, so we let it to get hot a little bit. And here the cooking oil, you can use any kind of oil you have in the kitchen. Just a little bit there. And got to wait for the oil to help hot a little bit. So the next thing after the oil is hot, you can see that the bubbles start to come out a little bit, or you see the bubbles form. Add the garlic. So that's it. So this one we're going to make as like a vegetarian dish. So we don't put any meat in. So just keep on frying the garlic and stir. When I stir, so I use the corner or just use the tip of the spatula to move the garlic around like that, or use the corner like that. And kind of push it here and there. So the garlic starts to get brown a little bit. I'm going to add the noodles and the soy sauce, fish sauce, and I'm going to add the bean stock. This is a very quick one, so we're going to add everything in now. So now find the heat might be a little bit high. We're going to turn it to the medium low. Okay. Oh, what about this one? The soybean paste, and sugar. So these are the black soy sauce or dark soy sauce. I'm just going to put a tiny bit, just have a little bit brown, so we don't want to get too black. So that's it. I'm stirring a little bit, make sure the noodles cook. So when I stir, use this part because a lot of people, they find the problem when they fry noodles and they find it stay together in the lump. So the technique is use the corner to spread it like that. And you can scoop it into the center and scoop it over the whole thing and flip it over. And when you want to turn again, like kind of stirring, use this corner again and doing like that. So just make sure the noodles cooked. And I'm going to add the green stuff now. Scoop and turn it, flip it over, and the corner, spread the noodles out away. So when the green stuff almost done, which doesn't take long, I'm going to put it to one side and I'm going to add the eggs in. Flip to turn, and I'm going to move to the side. If you find a little bit dry, you can add a bit more of the baby oil, but I think that's enough. And I'm going to crack the eggs in and break it. Seems to be quiet now, so I need to be up a little bit. So I put less oil because I don't like it to be too oily. So now I'm just going to try to scrape this egg and turn it one and scoop the noodles on it. And mix it. if you like the color to get darker, you can put more soy sauce, dark soy sauce. But I like mine to be just slightly brown. Just a stir, turn to make sure the eggs cook properly, and it'll be done. Break into a small piece a little bit. There. You see, when the way you stir it and use the corner, and the noodles just stay separated, not stick together in the lumpy, which is quite a lot of people find like that. So that is okay. Now it's done. I'm going to turn the gas off, and I'm going to put these fried noodles onto the plate. Like that. In there. So it's a bit quiet now. Just take everything out. The one that's stuck into the wok, that's a nice and more flavory one. Anyway, so that's that. So this one you serve with the lime and chili powder. I'm just going to put a little bit in a corner here. So, or if you like it, you can just spring on top like that. It's also good. So it depends how spicy you want it. So that is ready to eat.